afternoon. We are going to show you how to book an appointment for a Padron in Bilbao. We haven't done one of these videos for a while, but I thought it'd be great to get out there because we've just done one for a client of ours. So, down below we have got information about the Padron certificate in an article. On this YouTube channel there's absolutely loads of stuff about the Padron as well, so look for it if you need to know more information about what is a Padron certificate, their validity, etc, etc. So we haven't got a video from Bilbao, so this is a first. This is great. So if you're coming to live in Bilbao, an area which is ever popular with people coming to move to Spain, you want to Google Padron Cita Bilbao. And that's going to take you to this website. Again, the link is below in the description. And I'm going to put this link here at the top. I'm going to put it a direct link in the video below, along with the information about Padron. So we get here to 7 sections. We've got parking, citizens' attention, public spaces, Hacienda y Recaudación, which is about taxes, Padrón de Habitantes, which we're going to be coming back to in a minute, transport, and urbanismo. Okay, so we want to go to Padrón de Habitantes. This menu here gives us a drop down menu to take us back to the menu we've just been to, so we don't want that. And we have 4 different menus here for you to look at. Let's get clever with the arrows. So we have solicitud de alta y cambio de domicilio en el Padrón Municipal de Habitantes. So that is if you want to request to sign on the Padron or change your address on the Padron. Okay, we know once you're signed on to the Padron, you can then get the certificate that you need to prove what your address is, and we use that for nearly everything when we're proving address in Spain. This section here, solicitud de certificado de empadronamiento de personas fallecidas. This is if you need a Padron certificate of someone who's sadly passed away, maybe for inheritance purposes or something, you can get it here. Solicitud de modificación de datos en el Padrón de Habitantes Municipal, Padrón Municipal de Habitantes. This is if you need to change your details. Maybe you've got married, maybe you've changed your surname. Okay. Solicitud de renovación y confirmación de inscripción padronal de personas extranjeras. This is a very important section. Okay, why is this an important section? Well, this is an important section because if you're already signed on the Padron, after 2 years, if you're a non-EU citizen, you have to go back and tell them that you still live in the same place. And if you are an EU citizen, it's after 5 years. And that is where you need to hit and book an appointment there. But we're going to go here to solicitud de alta. So let's hit that. We have all the different areas. I don't think I'm going to try and pronounce them. My Euskadi isn't that good. Churdinaga. If that, I'll probably get crucified now on YouTube. I hope somebody can correct my pronunciation. I think that's Santucho, Recalde, Abando, that's an easy one, Basurto, Begoña. Lovely place, Begoña. So let's go to there, Begoña. So you hit the place where you live, the area where you live, and as you can see, there's various appointments available. Now what we want to do is select today. We want to go on the 29th and we want to go at 8:30. So we're going to go next and we're going to choose a type of document we're going to use for the Padron appointment. So we've got DNI, NIE, CIF or Pasaporte. You'll be using either your NIE, again lots of information on this channel about what is an NIE, or your passport. So let's go for our passport number. There we go, that's not my real one, just so you know. And let's go with a name, Christopher. Who wants to know my middle name? Okay, I'll tell you. Thomas Goodacre. There we go. Now YouTube world knows my middle name. Nice middle name there. Named after my granddad. And we're going to stick our email address in here. And we continue. Oh, what are we missing? Sorry, I didn't read it properly. I'm supposed to be doing the instructional video. This is your telephone number. So there we go, stick your telephone number in the bottom. So it is your identity document, the number of the document, your name, your surname, your email and your telephone number. And there we go. So we're going to enviar solicitud. So now you have to basically do a thing called enviar solicitud, which means send your request. So send the request. And now it has been sent, but you have to confirm it via email. So I'm going to bring up my email, and here we go. You have got the email here. Go to confirm, hit this button here, confirmar cita, and there you go. Now you've got the option here to add it to your Google Calendar, add the calendario de escritura. That's a what's that there? I have no clue. That's some sort of download which doesn't seem to... Oh, add it to your computer calendar, sorry. You can print. So here's all the details. Or you can add it to your Google Calendar if you want. There we go. You can see it's automatically adds and tells you what it is. So, here we have it. How to book an appointment at the Bilbao Town Hall for a Padron, to get a Padron. Remember, below we have got an article about what you need to get your Padron certificate, and all around this channel there's loads and loads of information about what it actually is and the validity of the certificate. Okay, thanks for watching again, and as more appointments come up we'll make more videos. Please subscribe, like and comment on our videos.